Hey there, fellow foodies. Today we're going to dive into the world of mouth-watering desserts, and specifically we're going to learn how to make tiramisu. This classic Italian dessert is a perfect blend of coffee, mascarpone, and ladyfingers, and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. So let's get started. First, we'll need to prepare the ladyfingers. If you're using store-bought ones, you can skip this step, but if you're making your own, you'll need to bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes, or until they're lightly golden. Once they're cooled, you can dip them in coffee to give them that signature tiramisu flavor. Next, we'll need to whip up the mascarpone mixture. This is a simple process that involves combining mascarpone cheese, sugar, and eggs. Once everything is mixed together, you'll have a rich and creamy filling for your tiramisu. Now, it's time to assemble the dessert. Start by layering the ladyfingers and mascarpone mixture in a pan or dish. Repeat this process until you've used up all your ingredients. Finally, top off your tiramisu with the dusting of cocoa powder, and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. A delicious and easy-to-make tiramisu perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!